You got your salsa, you got your salsa verde, you got your pico de gallo. Hey, what about chimichurri? What is that? That's a condiment straight out of Argentina. It's a parsley and cilantro based condiment. It's real simple, few ingredients. Welcome to Skillet, let's get cooking. So here we have it, chimichurri. You see we got two different applications for it. You got a dip, you got over some sliced steak. Now the good thing about chimichurri is that you can use it on just about anything. It is one of my favorite salsas, or condiments. You can put it on fish, chicken, any vegetable. If it's something that you would put ketchup on, you could put chimichurri on instead. Anyways, enough talking. I've been talking all day. Let's see how it is as a dip. And these are just some pita bread chips. All right. What I love about it, it's got that bright flavor. It's herbaceous. As long as you're using a good olive oil, you can't beat it. All right, so, you know, let's go for the steak. Where chimichurri really shines, it's in if you got something fatty, something rich, and you need a condiment to help cut it down. That's exactly what chimichurri will do. All right. I'm sorry. All I can say is that give this a try. Even if you don't even make it, you see it at a restaurant, give it a try there. At the very least, start off there. Anyways, I can't stop myself from this. I'm gonna let you guys go. That being said, from us to the skillet, from the skillet to you, adios. Argentina. Anyway.